Genius loci is the spirit of a place. Historically, this was taken quite literally, as the term extends from classical Roman religion and the belief that districts of Roman had their own protective spirits. In its modern usage, genius loci is a design or practice that matches the culture, environment, traditions, society, and economics of a place. The following are common examples. Architecture. Buildings and infrastructure that are designed for where they will be built. For example, organic architecture that blends a building into the local environment. Landscaping. Landscapes such as gardens that match the surroundings. For example, a garden that borrows from the scenery by using background hills, mountains, and structures as elements in its design. Urban design. Neighborhoods that reflect the society, culture, history, and environment of a place. For example, a neighborhood designed to celebrate its characteristic cultural identity, such as Paifang gates at the entrances to a neighborhood that is traditionally considered Chinatown. Education. Education that is tailored to a place, such as programs designed to teach the culture, history, and languages of remote northern communities in Canada. Terroir. Development of crops that match the ecology, landscape, and agricultural traditions of a place. This can allow a farm to produce high-quality foods that command premium prices. Thanks for watching. A gentle reminder, for those who have not subscribed our channel, please click the bell icon and subscribe. If you like our videos, please share with your friends. Thank you.